Hello, welcome to the first episode of Flutter Complete App Tutorial. In this tutorial series, we will learn Flutter by developing a complete app in Flutter from scratch. As discussed in the introduction video of this series, we will be developing a notes application and we'll add some extra features based on your feedback. So please take part actively and give us feedback on what would you like to learn. In this episode, we are going to design wireframe for UI of our application. We will start by wireframing the login and sign up UI. For this, you can use any software of your choice. Here, I am using Gravit Designer free version, which is available for Windows, Mac and Linux. So, let's start and design the login page. In the new design section here, we can either choose from a list of devices provided here for our wireframe, or we can use a custom size. So if you are on a software other than Gravit Designer, please use custom size. So here I'll be using Google Pixel 2 XL 40011 by 731 px. In other softwares you can use this custom size. The page 1 will be our sign-in page. So let me rename this sign-in page. And let's build a basic wireframe for our sign-in page. Here I'll just be using rectangles. A top rectangle, maybe this will be our logo. Let me align it vertically center. And let's create bunch of other rectangles. So let's say this is for email address field and alt and duplicate. This is for password field. Maybe this is a sign in button and this sign in with Google button. So let me just add text. Email address. Let's bring this here. So let's make a copy of this email address and let's make this password, and let's again copy this vertically center, sign in, center this, okay, and finally sign in Google and center. This will be the basic outline of our sign-in page. So let's create a new page, call it sign up page, sign up page. And for this, let me go to sign in page, Control A, Control C, copy everything and Control V, paste it here. And let's move this a little bit further. And let's make sign in, sign up, and let's duplicate this password field and let's make this confirm password. Okay, so this will be the basic outline of our sign up page. We'll not go into designing the details because in the next episode we'll be designing this UI in Flutter application and there we'll be adding the details. So if you have any suggestions for sign in and sign up page for our application that is to be designed in the next episode in Flutter, please do send us in our Facebook page or here in comments. Thank you everyone for watching this tutorial. Subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified about the next episode.